purpose of this video is I want to show people the best snowblower, which we're going to have a link in the description below for Amazon.com, eBay.com, and Chmelaeon.com. And what I suggest what you need when you go snowblowing. First things first, get some shades because it's usually sunny out and you're going to go snow blind if you don't wear shades. Number two, you want to get a baklava so you don't get chapped lips. What I like to do is I get a hinged one. I have a hat on right now, but this one's hinged, so I can actually wear it over my entire head. See how that's going over? And I can wear it as a chapped lip protector at the same time. So what I suggest is you first wipe down your cars in the driveway. I got my Mountaineer right there, and if you can kind of see the butt of the van over there, sort of, maybe. Anyway, wipe down your cars. So once you're done with it, all the snow falls here, and then you just shoot it all out with the snow blower or your snow shovel, whatever you prefer. I'm telling you, after 1 or 2 times of doing it with the shovel, you never really want to go back after you use a snow blower. So that's pretty much it. I'll have a link in the description below. I suggest the Toros. They're pretty awesome. And if you can't get a Toro, I think Hondas are pretty good, but I would not suggest those little electric ones. They're just not that awesome. And I don't know how you feel about walking up and down with a 40-foot extension cord every time I want to go snowblowing. So that's pretty much it. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Links in the description below. Get yourself a snowblower today. And I'm actually going to continue this video because I'm just going to snowblow the rest of the driveway over here with this. Let me pop this up somewhere and you guys can watch me finish. I suggest Toro. I've had that thing for like, I don't know, 5-6 years and it's still running strong. It kicks butt. The Hondas make pretty good, but anything with a Briggs & Stratton engine you really can't go wrong with. But I'm gonna flip it around because I kind of delve into how I snow blow the driveway. I take the cars out and all that stuff before I go because you don't want to snow blow it 3 times over. You just want to do it in one go. But that's pretty much it. Highly suggest Toro. Make sure you get a baklava, a hat, and shades before you go out so you don't get chapped lips and go blind. That's basically it. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out, and be sure to check out the links in the description below. Peace.